Hey there, do you know that 95% of the people losing their money in Forex in less than 6 months? And do you know that the 5% what they are making differently? Well, my name is Anna and I'm here to help you, and I would like to share you all my knowledge and all my struggles which I've had in the last 10 years, almost 10 years. I'd like to share you all my experiences since I'm practicing in this long time, and I had a lot of failures, of course, and I had a lot of successes as well, a lot of wins. And basically, this course is going to be about how to become a successful trader. We're going to talk about the basics, which is completely necessary if you want to reach for a certain level where your trade is going to be profitable. But at the same time, we're going to talk about the mental strengthness, which is more and more important than the basic technique knowledge, because all the traders who are successful, they have something different which they were able to reach inside. So basically, this is a beautiful journey inside, a beautiful journey for self-improvement, and this is where I want to help you to go through and reach to a point when you really believe, when you are really believe in that you deserve success and you deserve a beautiful life with freedom, and with, like, in terms of financial freedom as well, and personal freedom. And when you reach the point when you really believe that you deserve a better life, I hope to see you soon in the course.